Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's nice to see every one of you coming up one by one. You're going to get me on a line now, 07908 628 240, 07908 628 240. That's the number you're going to reach me with now. Or you can call office on 0208 309 8808 for appointments only. In all we are and in all we do in life, we have to give thanks to God. We have to appreciate God. We have to love Him. We have to thank God, whether we're Christian or Muslim, in no ramification. Without the help of God, it would have been possible for every one of us to see another day. But it is the grace of God that we have that makes us come alive again on the second day. When we sleep like a baby. We don't know what we go through in our dreams. So we are grateful to God for keeping us alive and bringing us back safely again to unite with each other on this beautiful forum of ours. This forum is not just for Tokunbo Olagbaye, it's for all of us to benefit from each other, to share from each other. So I want to appreciate you. I want to welcome you all as you are coming in one by one. You are all fantastic. You are wonderful. Without you, it wouldn't have been possible to keep up with the dates of what is happening on immigration matter in the United Kingdom. For those who are just coming on first time, without knowing what we are doing here, this is a forum where we talk about issues going on in the United Kingdom with regards to immigration matter. This forum is about talking and dealing with issues on immigration matter. So we just want you, if you're just coming in, just join us. Just join us, you know. But in all, we are grateful to God. We are grateful to God. We are grateful. We sleep like a baby, we wake up, we go to work, we come back, we're still alive, we're still talking. So we are grateful to God in all ramification. My name is Tokunbo Olagbaye. If you are just coming on, I am a lawyer in the diaspora here in the United Kingdom. I'm a qualified solicitor. So I'm not just immigration advisor. I am a qualified solicitor of the Supreme Court of England and Wales. So I have the emblem, but I practice my immigration law under the Office of the Immigration Commissioner on the highest level, on the highest. So I am not supervised by anyone. I supervise people. I've seen in and out of immigration, and I continue to look forward to see more of it, because immigration is quite an interesting area and very complex and complicated, even difficult, more than any area of law you can talk about, because it's an administrative law and it changes from time to time, so it's very, very difficult. So it only takes those who are clever to take it from scratch to the end. So I want to appreciate you for coming on one by one. Enjoy my music. Love you too, dear. Thank you. Enjoy my music for now. Enjoy my music on a very good Thursday afternoon. Thank you. Hello. Yeah. Hello. I'm sure you are aware we're on a live program now.
Oh, I don't know.
Now we are.
I don't know. Sorry, brother.
Yeah. Okay. All right, dear. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Bye-bye.
All right.
I want to talk about the delay we are having in getting case heard in court. There is a huge delay in terms of getting your case, getting a date for your case, and getting your hearing being heard, your case being heard in court. There is a huge delay in court at the moment, and the delay depends on the type of application you have in. So I want us to concentrate. I don't want us to lose focus. The average waiting now for your case to be heard or to be even to have a date in court, it's quite heavy now. But it actually depends on the type of case you have in court. Good afternoon if you are just coming on one by one. My name is Chukumbo Olagbaye. It is nice to see all of you on. And the telephone number you are going to be calling on today is either you call the office line to book your appointment on 0208 309 8808. 0208 309 8808. That's the number you have to call to book appointments. Now the number to call in to chip in with the matter we are having now on anything to do with immigration matter rather, is 07908 628 240. 07908 628 240. That is the number you will be calling now to get through to me if you want to ask questions bothering your mind on anything to do with immigration matter. You can call that number so that you can join us straight away and ask questions on your immigration matter in the UK. Currently, a lot of people want to understand why we are experiencing that delay in court. It's now becoming unbearable. So if you have a matter in court and you haven't been given a date to tell you when to come to court, don't worry, don't kill yourself. You're going to have a date. It's just that the problem at the moment, it's as a result of shortage in the immigration judges. There's quite heavy delay because it appears that we are short of immigration judges. We are short of immigration judges, and as a result of that, those who are available can only do what they can do. They cannot do more than their capacity, because if they sit for more than necessary, more than what they can chew in court, you're not going to be able to have your determination done on time. Determination is the decision of the judge. So the more work they take, the delay you have in getting your report back as well. So this is why this is why the delay is just so hampered now. It's beyond one control. So the only way to combat it is between the Secretary of State and the other government parastatals to take care of that area. The crucial I want to discuss today is that if you have matter pending in court, don't worry, relax yourself. You will have a date at some point. But how can we avoid having case going to court? That's the thing I want to talk about. How can we avoid it? There are so many ways of avoiding taking cases to court. For example, if you put in an application as a other free movement, family member of European person, and you were refused because of one document or the other, given right of appeal, you don't have to pursue that appeal. You can easily meet up with the document missing and reapply again. I hope it's making sense. You can easily reapply so that you can avoid going into that jam-packed delay time. Because delay is so huge in the sense that it could be from, there are 34 weeks, we have 34 weeks, we have 68 weeks, we have 83 weeks, we have 79 weeks, we have 45 weeks, we have 33 weeks, we have 34 to 35, depending on your matter. For example, if you're facing deportation and you're appealing against that deportation, you have 35 weeks to wait. And if you're going to wait, that person is going to be waiting in detention center. Now, the case of those who are in detention is quite different. They are trying to appeal the deportation so that they will not remove them from the United Kingdom. So they will have to wait, but they will continue to be at the detention center unless bail is heard and granted. And I doubt it is very unlikely that bail will be granted in such a delicate matter. I doubt it. It is well with you. You understand? So it's going to be so difficult. Now, if you make an application as a family member of European person and you were refused, maybe your husband document is missing or your wife document is missing 1 year and the documents are not available and they gave you right of appeal and you are going for appeal, what are you going to appeal on? If those documents are not available at the time of the application, you're not going to succeed on appeal. So why do you have to go in and go and waste your time? It will be better for you. It will be better for you in this sense to make a fresh application if you can manage to meet up with the documents. How do you go and meet up? How do you do it? How do you go about it to meet up with the documents? It's either the person that is European person continue working, so you can go back in and reapply and get another 5 years to meet up with the year missing, and then go back in and apply for your permanent residence after a year or two. In that case, you're not going to get stuck inside the appeal processing period. If you get stuck inside the appeal processing period, there's so much things, many things could happen. You might be losing your right to work if care is not taken. You might be losing because there are some employers are very, very uneasy, agitated, and not ready to wait for you. The moment you can't have British your passport with the status or get a fresh certificate of application on time, they're gonna take off your employment. You're gonna lose your employment. So situation like that, I am saying that there is no need to go and get stuck in appeal. Now, there is another one that you have to be aware of. There is always a right of appeal for those who are coming for visit under human rights grant. Not everybody anymore. The right is gone. Appeal right has already been taken off. But under human rights grants, you can say, listen, I am being discriminated against on this blah, 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 blah. If you put in an appeal, they gave you right of appeal, and you put that appeal on, you're going to be waiting for you are going to be hanging around for about 74, 75 weeks to get your appeal heard. Why can't you reapply if you know that you are a genuine visitor to the United Kingdom? Why can't you reapply? Why do you have to hang in there? Thank you. You know, why do you have to hang in there and be waiting for 70-something weeks over to get yourself before the immigration judge in the UK, or you get your family representing you before the immigration judge in the UK? And if you're going to use a lawyer to represent you, that money will have been properly utilized to make a fresh application than to wait and to waste. And then the money to pay the judge is sitting as well with this difficult time. We're not saying we're financially struggling in terms of paying the immigration judges, but we are short in the UK. We're not financially struggling in paying our judges in the UK, but we are short of judges immigration judges. So some judges are now retired. Some have moved into another discipline. So pulling them out from family courts to come and sit in immigration judges is so difficult and making them so uncomfortable. So these are the things we need to think of. How to avoid going to court. So if you're giving appeal under family visit, I'll be saying to you, giving you advice that there is no need for you to pursue that appeal. Make fresh application. If you look at the terms of waiting, it's daunting, it's costly, it's stressful, it's not worth it. Then you can easily avoid waiting unnecessarily and move to make a new application straightforward. Line is always open on 07908 628 240. So you can ask questions with regards to anything bothering your mind on the immigration matter. This is your opportunity to ask questions on anything that you think is bothering your mind on immigration matter. The avenue is open for you when you know you want to ask questions on immigration matter. At the moment, the experience is, the fact is that it's difficult to go into appeal unless it's absolutely necessary. Although some people are saying that they are wiping away time, you know. So if you're what you are doing is trying to wipe away time, then it's good for you. You know, it's very, very good for you. Very, very good for you. If you're just buying time and wiping away time, that's good for you. And you're given and you are granted right of appeal, that's good for you to wipe away time. But if you have not met the reason for refusing you at the time of the application, you might be experiencing some headache with the judges in court as well. So of what use? But if you have made up your mind and you're saying that you're wiping away time, then that's fine. Splendid. So I've got no problem in terms of, you know, seeing it from that angle. But the most crucial thing is that it can be avoidable. It's avoidable. Anyway, it's avoidable. O ní láti gbé case lọ sí court. If there is any other method you can take through it, you know, if there's other mechanism you can use to take your case in, then you can take it. So the delay in the immigration tribunals is as a result of shortage of judges in court, in immigration and court. So we are very short. We are not having enough. The number displayed is 07908 628. Yeah, the number is 07908 628 240. Yeah, so it's correct. 07908 628 240. That is the number to call on. So I'm sure you should be all right with it. You know, yeah. It's 07908. Yeah, 07908. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. I can hear you. Carry on, I can hear you.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you, madam.
Okay, so I want to find out because I put in an appeal. So, though the application, the work experience for myself is not up to 5 years.
Okay.
I put on appeal and it's still on now, 7 months now.
Okay.
So I want to find out, is it, when you were saying, well, something is not necessary or if you can reapply quickly?
It depends on the reason why you were refused at first. You know, it actually
Because it's not up to 5 years that it's been working in UK. I think it's 1 year missing.
and which year was the year missing? Not the current year, yeah. It wasn't the current year.
No, it wasn't the current year, it was the previous
So you should have just go back and reapply. If it's working now, you could have just go back to the Home Office and make a new application, you know, and you will get another 5 years. Yeah, but the appeal is still hanging in there, isn't it?
Yes.
And you can't travel, you can't do any other thing, you can't even change jobs.
But I've got a right to work.
You have right to work, but you will not be able to change your employment now because you don't have your passport.
Yes.
No employer is going to take you on now, apart from the one you are with at the initial stage. So there's nothing you could do now because you have waited for almost 7 months or 8 months already. So if you look at the weeks I have, so you should just get the appeal date and then take it on from there. If it's in the country and it's exercising treaty right and it's working and it's currently working, but a year is missing, the judge might end up telling you to go and reapply.
So to meet up with the 5 years.
To meet up, exactly. To meet up with the missing period.
Okay. So it doesn't matter whether the previous one or we just count back. That's the 5 years.
Exactly. It has to be 5 years continuously.
Okay. It doesn't matter when it started working.
It does matter when it starts working. You know, if you have your 5 years previously, if you have had 5 years granted, yeah, you will be applying for your permanent residence, isn't it? But because they cannot calculate continuous 5 years for your man, that is why you were refused.
Yeah, exactly.
If they can get continuous 5 years of him in employment, you will have been granted. Does that make sense to you?
All right. Thank you very much, ma'am.
No problem. Bye. We are on 07908 628 240. 07908 628 We are talking about how to regularize your status in the UK. That's my headline. My headline, it's always how to regularize your status in the UK, but it now depends on the what I put on my chat line. But the purpose of me, that talking about like in the diaspora, is to deal with the issue of how to regularize status for the Nigerian in the diaspora or other immigrants in the diaspora who wants to become a resident or have freedom of moving from one employment to another in the UK. That is my job. To give you advice, to tell you exactly what the law states as it is, and for us to move it on from there. Hello? Hello? Ẹ káàsán o.
Yes, ma'am. Shall we look there like the Catford, ma'am?
Okay. Ẹ wà lórí online o.
What?
You are online, you are live.
Okay, can you show me not meeting online, right, ma'am?
Kò possible, mo ń ṣe program lọ́wọ́.
That's fine. Oh,
Okay,
okay.
all right. Ṣé wà okay?
Yes, ready.
Okay, carry on.
Son,
Okay.
So I'm fighting for abuse in April last day. So I didn't do anything for now. So,
I think it's good for you. Yeah. I think it's good for you because the more you wait, the more your case have strength.
all right.
Yeah. So I think it's good for you because by the time they will call you for hearing or give you a date and for you to prepare and get ready, time to law. So it's good for you. In this kind of scenario, that delay is good for people like you.
All right.
Yeah?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Bye. You will get us on 07908 628 240. But please book your appointment on 0208 309 8808. Good afternoon, ma. Please, ma, I'm in Nigeria, but I would like to talk to you. Do you have office in Nigeria, and where is it located? Of course, I have office in Nigeria. It's in Ogba GRA. So yes, I have office in Nigeria. It's in Ogba GRA. Can you inbox me so that I can inbox you the location and the telephone number? But I do have office in Nigeria. So you can call me, you can inbox me after this program, or inbox me straight away now. I will reply you back. The office is located in Ogba, Ikeja, GRA. So yes, I have office in Lagos, you know. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. You're on a live chat. Do you know that? You're on a live...
I know.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Carry on.
Excuse me, ma. Yeah, I am put an application last year, November, for family life as a partner, 10-year route. And it's actually 6 months today, but I called the Home Office on Monday, and they said to me that it's still in progress. So what should I do, ma? I just want advice.
You put in application when?
November.
November. I'm not seeing November that far in terms of the delay around now. I'm not seeing it that far. But can I ask you some questions?
Yes.
You said you put in an application as a partner of a...
It's a renewal, yeah.
Oh, so it's a renewal, yeah? Now, do you have child together?
Yes,
2 children, yeah?
Yeah.
Both of which are carrying British passport.
Yes.
They'll come to you, don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, they'll come to you, don't worry. Yeah, of course you can. Of course you can ask, tell them that your husband wants to travel, they should return the passport. By now, they will have satisfied themselves on the inquiry and have copies of the documents in file. So you should be able to. Yeah, you're most welcome. Thank you. Do you have lawyer that represents you in your submission? Ooh, that's why you are experiencing that high volume of delay. Because extension with 2 children and the father is British and they are British, they should have answered you back straight away. They should have revert back to you by now. They should have revert to you. So I think you should write. I think you have what? I think you should write. I think you should write to them. Yeah, write to them and ask them to update you why they are still keeping your file for an ordinary extension that your children are British, your husband is British, but your husband wants to travel. They should update you on that. They should return your husband passport because he wants to travel. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, dear. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, dear. You're on a live chat now.
Okay, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling in.
Yeah, I have a court case hearing. That was March.
Okay.
And when getting to court, they dismissed the case. They didn't win the case, and they asked me to reapply. And then I just said to me that we have to beg them to allow me to have another appeal, which will come for it. But they haven't sent me any date for the hearing. They say it could take for like 3 months. But now my child has applied for British fee, and that British fee hasn't come back. So I want to ask you, ma, if I get that British fee, is it possible for me to cancel the appeal? They asked me to.
No, don't cancel the appeal. The British passport will be taken together to court on the day, and the court needs to your lawyer needs to update court and say changes in circumstances. Appellant has now got British citizen, you know, and then close copy of the passport to the document with the document.
Madam.
Yeah.
They told me that what they said to me, they said I will not go to the court with them anymore because it has gone to tribunal.
Who said to you that you are not coming to court with them anymore?
The lawyer said that to me that I can't go to the court with them anymore because it has gone to upper tribunal.
So if case is in upper tribunal, so you appellants should not be there.
Yeah, the lawyer said that to me that I don't need to be there because it has gone there, they will go alone.
No, it's a lie. It's a lie. I don't believe that. What if the judge wants to ask you a few questions?
So, madam,
Yeah.
if that passport of my child come back now, because we've applied for it around March, so I'm still expecting it. It hasn't come. So if I get that British paper, is it possible for me when the court hearing is coming up to take it there with them?
But you,
I should just inform the Home Office through my lawyer.
they have to be informed beforehand. Both the immigration judge needs to be aware of the changes in your circumstances and the Home Office as well. So you cannot just turn up on the day and start bringing and your lawyer starts showing them passport, British passports in court. It doesn't make sense to any one of us, you know. It will make sense if there is an update in writing and send it to court and send it to the Home Office and say fresh evidence.
Okay, before that time.
Yes, yes. Your lawyer needs to do that. Fresh evidence.
Whenever I get the passport of my child.
Yes. Don't.
I shouldn't cancel it. I should leave it.
Don't pull it out because you are going to spend a lot of money on new applications. So do not pull it out.
Okay, but now, man, they just gave me the letter that they will get in touch with me when they are ready to give me the time. They haven't given me any time. They just have to be logging for me. So they haven't given me any date or anything.
Yeah, you have to wait now. Wait until they give you time. Yeah, wait. Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. I submitted my application last and it was granted last month on 2012. But I'm yet to receive my biometric card and I sent the email to them. They asked me to keep it. That's what I'm saying.
Your application is successful with the Home Office,
Yes, ma'am.
and they have granted you,
Yes, ma'am.
but they haven't sent you your biometric card. How many days ago now?
Like 3 weeks ago, ma'am.
No, that is too long. It should be within 10 days. You need to update them quickly. It should be within 10 days. If you have not received your biometric card within 10 days, you need to speak out quickly.
I sent them an email twice and I tried to hear from them.
Well, if you feel like you may want to come and instruct my practice, then
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. Okay, bye. Hello.
Hello?
Hello there. Hi. You're on the chat, live chat.
Yes, I know.
Okay. All right.
I've got a number of questions. It's regarding the family life as parent.
Okay.
And I would like to confirm if it's under the EU law.
Family what? Family life.
As parent.
No, it's not under EU law. That is domestic law.
Domestic law.
Yes.
I would like to know if it came in, it was intimated after the UK entered in the EU or it was already there, because someone told me that before then you had to wait for your child to be 7 years old.
I didn't get what you. I didn't get what you want to achieve. I need to know what you want to achieve.
I mean, what I'm going to ask is, after the EU, after the Brexit is actually achieved, is this law going to, this doesn't still be there?
It's going to be there. If it's not there, then that is got nothing to do with Brexit.
Oh, okay.
It has nothing to do with Brexit. It's domestic law. It's under Immigration Nationality Act, which means it's our UK law. It's under UK law.
Okay.
So Brexit has got nothing to do with it.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Okay, my dear. Bye. Sorry about the noise around my office. I think there are some people singing outside my office there because it's in the busy area market. So I think they are having fun outside in the market there. Anyway, another issue that came to my attention today and has been coming in and out all the time. So, and it's really making me so uncomfortable with the Nigerians in the diaspora. Like I said last time, Nigeria is one of the most educated country in the world, but they are the most I don't even know how to qualify Nigerians when I want to talk because I don't want to be rude. But they get me angry in times of them falling foul for nonsense information or nonsense tout representation. Now, just today, a client came to my office to inform me that she has a lawyer, which is not a lawyer, that they are both attending the same church. She's not coming to that church anymore because she has collected money from that client. And every time they want to meet, they only meet in the office, in the car rather, not in the office. She will meet with her in a car. When case is now having hiccup, client is now chasing her to assist. She said to client that I don't want my office to know that I'm helping you. You're not helping. You've got 500. You charge 500 pounds from that client, and you say you are helping. You're not helping. You've got money. Helping means free. So you're not helping. You are representing. But that lawyer doesn't have office. She's not qualified, and she's taking money from clients. She's seeing clients in the car, and I think that's really unfair. For all of you that are seeing client and seeing your lawyer in the car at McDonald's, that's your problem. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my dear.
Yeah, I'd like to ask a question, ma.
Please go on quickly.
Okay, my question is like, I applied
Mm.
to my children. Then I was pregnant with one, and I have one 3-year-old. Then I had the baby already. So when I applied when I was pregnant for the second one,
Mm-hmm.
I applied for my kids. But fortunately for me, they now sent it down to me from home office because then when I applied in August, then they sent it letter to me that I need to produce some documents to update my status to check if what I've given them is real and to update what they have with them. So I presented them those documents they asked for. Based on that, then later when they now granted me that the week after,
Mm-hmm.
that's in April, then they now send letters to me that I've been granted, but I'm not granted through my children, that I'm granted through my spouse.
Mm-hmm.
So, I was not complaining to my lawyer that they gave me 10 years with that. Don't give me 5 years with and all that. Then she said that before the 2.5 years, they gave me the fourth one, before it expires, then I can apply again. Like renew that then.
Let me get this right. Have you got visa at the time you applied?
No.
So you have overstayed your visa before you apply to the Home Office.
Yes.
So it's always going to be 10 years route, whether on parents, other parents or partner, it will be 10 years. You will only get 5 years route to other parents or partner if you, for example, if you are a student or you still have your post-study work or you are on any visa that allows you to stay in the country more than 12 months, then you will be able to apply on that 5-year route and follow the procedure as if you are, the procedure will be as if you are coming from outside. So you have to do the English test, you have to do this, you have to do that.
Yeah,
So,
now that now, because I can renew it now, and I can apply again before it expires. That if I do the English test, then the next visa they will give me 5 years.
I think you are getting wrong advice, and I have to be blunt in saying this. I think the advice you are giving is not accurate because you were already out of visa. So you should be grateful to the Secretary of State.
Yeah, I was happy. I was not saying that it's too long. Why they give me saying that I have to renew 4 times. This home office money is too much of this and that. Then they say I can apply again when my visa is almost expiring. That when I apply again, then they will give me 5 years.
Don't listen to him or her. That is a nonsense advice. It will be 10 years if you have run out of visa. Yes, it will always be 10 years. It's not 5 years. 5 years is for those who have visa before they apply. A valid visa, exactly. So don't listen to what he's saying, okay? You're most welcome there. Bye. Hello? Yeah, hi. Ekasan. Yeah, carry on.
court order. So you have to meet them in court, but you would be for 3 hours to come home.
Me gbọ́ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ, mi gbọ́ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ.
Okay, tí mo ní ìdíje tí ọkọ àti ìyàwó náà ti pọ̀ mọ́, ìyàwó gbàgbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. So tó wọ́n ti sílẹ̀ mọ́ pa ọmọ yẹn kó ti kú lọ́mọ, kó ti fọ́ ọmọ yẹn ní ìfowó ọmọ yẹn tó ti fẹ́ sílẹ̀. So bí àwọn àgbà lọ́yà tó máa lọ fún ìgbà ọkùnrin yẹn, lọ́dẹ̀ fún ọkùnrin yẹn ní ìgbà ìjọba. Wọ́n á ti lọ sí kóòtù pọ̀ lórí ọmọ yẹn nítorí pé lóun fi ọmọ yẹn láti 2000.
Ni wọ́n ṣe fún níwèé. I don't understand that kind of advice, because there's no way you can take underage into court for judges to determine that case. It doesn't follow. Judges look at the paperwork and documentation. Do you understand? So you need to have the documentation available. But please come for advice. I'm not saying leave your lawyer, but please come for consultation. It's not clear. Please. But you have more information to disclose it, please. I can give wrong advice, please. Please book appointment, please. Thank you. Hello. 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 It's all about how to regularize your status in the United Kingdom. There are so many things we are discussing on the issue of dealing with papers in the UK, but you have to do it properly so that you don't fall foul. Yes, hello there, hi.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Samuel Christmas. Where is your office located now?
We're in Woolwich.
Woolwich?
Yeah.
Okay. When can I meet you? Can I book appointment to come into the office?
You can call office right now on 0208 309 8808. Yeah, please do. Thank you. Bye. Hello. Hello. Yeah, Castle Shewakpa. Okay, your question quickly. I didn't get your facts clearly. You see, this is what I'm saying to people. If you have long story to tell me, you need to come to office for consultation. Please. And I will be able to look at the document itself and advise you correctly. Please book appointment, bring the documentation, come and take advice from me in the office. I am not a greedy lawyer. I am not telling you to leave your lawyer. But I'm saying that it will be wise to take advice again. Yeah, please. Do you have the office number or you want me to give it to you? Okay, thank you. Yeah, bye. You see, there are some scenarios that I cannot capture online. I am not a robot who's got the computer thinking, so there is no way I can capture all the long story or long episode. So I would definitely advise, if the scenario is longer than anticipated, then book appointment straight away. It's for your own good anyway. If you book appointment, it's for your own benefit. Because if you're telling stories online, you're going to be misled. And when you are saying that stories, your friend will probably tell you something that is not even relevant at the same time. But Yoruba ní nǹkan tí èèyàn bá fi pamọ́ ló máa ń níyì. Come to office. Come and take advice. Thank you for your comments. Thank you. So that's just the scenario. You need to come to the office, come and take advice, so that you don't put yourself in a situation where you cannot come out. That is just the simple advice. I am still online now. You can book appointments on 0208 309 8808 0208 309 8808, or you call in now and ask your first question 07908 628 240. I am more than grateful, but I haven't got time to stay long online. You know, thank you watching now. You know, thank you, dear. Thank you. There is not much time for me to stay longer than necessary, you know. So the most important thing is to come on and take questions as quickly as I can. I'm looking for another day that I will have more time so I can stay at least 2 hours like before. But time does not permit me to stay 2 hours like before this time around. You know, it depends on the time and what I am doing. I just have this free period, so I said let me take advantage and use it quickly. And because I didn't go to court today, you can see the way I dress. So I think I find it easy and flexy to come online and talk and discuss with you why I'll go back onto my paperwork. You know, I'm still on 07908 628 240. 07908 628 240. We're talking about Big By Way Gbelu. Kini àwọn nǹkan tó lè ṣe. Let me put a bit of Yoruba into it for people to enjoy it. Kí ni àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ tí o lè gbé láti gba ìwé ìgbélú? Kí dẹ̀ ni àwọn ìrìnàjò tó yẹ kó rìn tí o ní láti go through appeal? O ní mo ń ṣàlàyé lé lórí. Mo dẹ̀ tún sọ wípé tó bá fẹ́ pàdé lọ́ọ̀yà lọ pàdé lọ́ọ̀yà nínú ọ́fíìsì, má pàdé lọ́ọ̀yà nínú mọ́tò mọ́ tàbí McDonald's. It doesn't make sense. When you are meeting a lawyer, you should meet a lawyer in an office. A lawyer must have an office if he's a true lawyer, not in the car or at McDonald's. It doesn't make sense, you know. Hello.
Hello.
Hi there.
Is it possible for the person to change, towards the end when you have to renew, instead of renewing as a parent, you actually get married? Is it possible for the person to get 5 years instead?
You won't be able to get 5 years because the problem is that you overstayed before you were granted, if that is the case.
Yeah.
So if you have run out of visa before you were granted the first one, are you with me? Okay. Then the 10 years will continue. People are saying that they can change, but I haven't seen anyone that can change successfully, because 10 years route is different from 5 years route. There is 5 years rules for parents and partner, but that's for those who have visa at the initial stage. Yes.
Okay. All right then. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Hello.
Good afternoon,
dear. Hi.
I wanted to just ask a brief question. I'm married to an EA, and I've gotten my permission to stay, but I'm planning on going back home to do my master's. Would that affect anything? Definitely. If you stay outside UK for 6 months, more than 6 months, then you're going to lose that right. You have to start all over when you are coming back. Oh yes, definitely. Well, what if I write letter to the Home Office?
It won't change stories. It won't change stories. It's the law.
So that means I can't go for education in any other country. I have to stay with my husband.
Yes. If you stay out of the country, you're going to lose that right, because you have to exercise treaty right along. The English says along. Yeah, thank you. That question the young lady just asked, it's a vital question for all European family members, especially spouse. If you marry to an EA person, your husband or your wife, and you want to leave UK to go and do your education or something outside United Kingdom, you're going to lose that right, believe me or not. You're going to lose that right. The only way you will not lose that right is if both of you travel together and leave UK, and then both of you will be returning back together at the same time. And if you go to a non-European country, like going to Nigeria, you're going to lose that right because he is not exercising treaty right. So you have to go back to his country before you can come back to United Kingdom. It's simple. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah,
Ekasan. Yeah. Thank you. Mm. Exactly, about that time. Mm. Ṣé ọmọ yẹn lọ́dẹ̀ wà ní case ẹ̀ wà ní court? Clear that if you want court. Mm. Mm. So clear going with ìyàwó yín. Clear gbéwèé wọlé lọ́ndà ìyàwó yín. So FLRM lẹ́ṣẹ̀ àbí FM àbí FP ṣé FLR why tẹ́ ṣe FLRM ṣé ẹni student ṣé ẹni visa gbà yẹn ni. That was it. Wrong application of fill for you at that time. It should be FLRFP. For until about the visa, to then be wọlé under partner tàbí pay àbí child. Kò yẹ kó jẹ́ M lẹ́ni tó níwèé lọ́wọ́. Tí judge bá allow appeal yín, wọ́n máa allow ẹ̀yin àtọmọ yẹn papọ̀ ni. They will allow that child as if he's still underage. So don't worry. And you will be putting a patient together as if he's still underage, even though two forms lema low or kind of one form, but one meji lema san one meji. You always pay too money, but they will still treat that patient as if he's still underage. Then another thing I should warn you in advance for. Tell Baba careful. Home office only start to live from the beginning. Because you have lost that one that they've taken it on appeal. So continuous more. So if your appeal is allowed, Home Office may make a discretion to grant you on a new level entirely. So fingers crossed. Yes. Okay. All right, yeah. Okay, bye. Yeah, bye. My number is 07908 628-240. The number is on the page, as my friend said to you now. The number is on the page. Thank you. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Yes, ma'am. No, I just want to ask you a question. It's kind of confusing.
Okay.
I'm a student here from Nigeria.
Okay.
My master's, ma'am.
Okay.
And I just got married last year. My husband is EU.
Okay.
Now, I was talking to one of my friends, like a lawyer, or not, I told him if we apply now, that how many years are they going to give us?
Your husband is EU.
Yeah, my husband is EU.
They will give you
Student visa.
they will give you 5 years residence card.
Okay, and within that 5 years, can I apply for permanent?
It depends on how many. No. You are changing your status, so you have to finish your 5 years. Parakmata.
Okay. So it's gonna take me like how many years?
5 years. 5 years for residence card. After 5 years, before 28 days before it expires, you will now apply for your permanent residence. But your husband must be working for 5 years, and you must also be working continuously for 5 years. Both of you must have the same address together, your marriage certificate, every document in place continuously for 5 years before you can apply for your PR in future.
Okay, ma. That's very good. Thank you so much, my dear.
That's all right, dear. Bye.
Thank you, ma.
Bye. Yorùbá sọ pé kò kí n dùn kó pọ̀. Ṣókí lọ́bẹ̀ oge. Hello. Ẹ káàsán.
Yes, ma. I'm getting football for you guys now.
Thank you. I'm online now. I'm online. So are you aware, sir?
Yes, ma.
Okay.
So now, ma, that's a question for you, ma.
Go on then.
Okay, ma. Mo ní ọmọ méjì tó ti gba British.
Okay.
So, but mo pè é pé tí apply lórí wọ́n ṣe tó bí 2 months ló ṣe. So, because mi tí ó yẹ bá tẹ́ mi lè ṣiṣẹ́ mo dẹ̀ ní project kan tí mo ń plan láti ṣe. Mo wá wọ pé ṣé òfin àlọ́ láti tún bá báwọn ọmọ yẹn lọ sílé fún bíi 2 years fún sábà ṣe pé mo fẹ́ ṣe yẹn tí màá dẹ̀ fún wọn padà wá. Wọ́n ní mi ìmọ̀ mú ṣe.
Our any British passport, so on, a problem. But what about you? What do you have? You are not allowed to stay outside. Then your purpose of staying is irrelevant. The school we said they are not in school now because they will ask you to go and get letter from school and from GP. So they will be missing out for 2 years now. Kilo later if I send your mother later, if I be by. Domestic worker. 6 months, but that person must have been working with you in Nigeria. Then cooking domestic in here now, please. Yeah. Okay? All right, yeah, bye. The number on my page is 07908 628 240. The number on my page is 07908 628 240. 07908 628 240. Hello? 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 Hello dear, hi. I am. Call later then. Yeah, bye. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is this the lawyer?
I am.
I don't know. Can I ask you a question?
Go on.
My daughter, she was born in Ireland, but she's 12 years now. Yeah, I have discretionary leave to remain. I've done 3 years, and my other 3 years is going to expire next year. But my daughter will be 12 years. She was born in Ireland, but after 2 weeks of her birth, she came to England to make a proof. She's been here since that 2 weeks of her birth to 12 years. Can I apply for her?
Was the child born in the UK?
So in Ireland.
And the child has Irish passport?
No, because when she was born in 2005, they stopped the Irish passport in December 2004, December 31st, and she was born in February.
Yeah, but what status is the child holding?
She's only what I'm holding.
Which is what?
Which is discretionary leave to remain, but we've done the first 3 years and we've applied for the other one.
So the child will have to continue waiting for you. You have to be applying together. The child cannot apply for British passport now. Since he wasn't born here, that's it. No, it doesn't matter. They are not the same country. Yes, you can. I don't know the form of my hair, so I don't want to mislead you. Thank you, bye. Hello? Yeah. Ekaso. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Thank you. Thank you. Ṣé ọmọ yẹn ti pé ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin lọ́mọ ìbá tẹ̀gbé ìwọlé? Ó dẹ̀ ti wà nílùú, ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin ti wà nílùú. Yeah. Just wait for Home Office. They will use their discretion. Just wait for them, okay? Yeah, bye. Yeah, bye. I have to go now. Kondo koko shoki ni obe oge. Hello? Kasa, I'll answer you quickly, but I have to go now.
Yes, my question is just short. It's for February, but I'm a British citizen.
Okay.
How can I waive off it now?
It's gonna be difficult. Now, so and it's not an adopted child, it's a relative. Government does not allow that kind of applications easily anymore now because of child slavery. You know, so it's going to be difficult. But if you need further advice, book appointments in the office and come and see me. Yeah. Bye. You can call office on 0208 309 8808. 0208 309 8808. I have to go now. 0208 309 8808. 309 8808. Yes, please. Thank you. You're all wonderful. Thank you very, very much. Thank you so much for this forum. Thank you. I want to appreciate you all. You are all wonderful. Thank you so much. No matter how clever you can be, how intelligent you can, you still need people that will appreciate you around you so that you can continue to do what you are doing at best. It's a passion that I have for law, and it's a passion that I have to give advice in this realm. And that's why I'm enjoying it all the time when I come online to meet you, because I know my people all the time that come online to meet me. So this is a family forum that we know each other now very well. If I don't see you face to face, doesn't mean that I don't know you by your names. I know real names and I can see all of you. I got it. I got here. Thank you very much. I want to say thank you to you. Enjoy my music for a while before I leave. Enjoy my music before I leave. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am humble. I am grateful. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all of you that's reacting very well. Thank you for those mentioning, those that are giving response. Thank you so much. Thank you. Her name is called Adetutu Thomas. Her name is called Evangelist Adetutu Thomas. The name of that person is called, of that lady is called Adetutu Thomas. You know, her name is called Adetutu Thomas. Oba Ayo is the topic of that music. Oba Ayo, Adetutu Thomas. So I want to thank you all because you're all wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you. You know, thank you. So I will be back again when there is a time to do so. It's all about time permitting me. Once time permits me, I'll be back, you know, to take you on loads of kisses. Thank you. Oh yes, man. There's no pressure when you do what you are enjoying. Thank you. Thanks to you all. You're all wonderful. That's how life should be. Simplicity is the key. Just do it simple. Enjoy your life. Do things you do at best. Make yourself happy. Thank you so much. I have to go now. It's all about how to regularize your status. If you are just joining us in the middle that I am dancing and you saw me dancing, I am happy for my clients all the time because my clients are doing great. It is those who lack God lack everything, but if you believe in God, you will not lack. God is our strength, and to Him we give all the glory. Thank you so much. I am humble. Thank you. With due respect. I love you all. When you smile, your enemy cry. So that's how you should be doing it. It's all about how to regularize your status. I am humble. I thank you all. I have to go now. Even me, I'm enjoying the music. I don't want to leave, but I have to go now. Time is of essence. There's no time. For all this I've done online, I don't know what time I will leave my office because I've already built up my backlog myself. But thank you. More anointing to all of you as well. More anointing. Blessed be the name. Bless. I believe. No, Bisi Olatiloke. I said Adetutu Thomas, Evangelist Adetutu Thomas. No, Bisi Olatilo is a presenter, entertainment now. The person singing here is Evangelist Adetutu Thomas. That's the name of the person to calling Evangelist Adetutu Thomas. Thank you. Evangelist Adetutu Thomas. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I have to go now. Splendid.